a mouse, Cento, and off-white and placed some toys strategically throughout it, hoping my cat would come check it out. It was replacing her old bed, but it's as if she knew that because she was sitting in her old one saying, no, I think I still prefer this one, but it was gross and old, and the scratch posts were destroyed, so I needed a new one. Eventually, she kind of came over and was like, I'm going to check it out from afar and take a look, and she just sat there for a while looking at it, and eventually she's like, you know what? I need a higher vantage point. I need to look down on this thing and see what it looks like. But if this thing moves or makes a noise, I'm out. And she needed a little bit more time to assess this, so she eventually took a nap, staring at it the whole time. But eventually she came up to it and stood next to it, checking it out from the left side, looking out the window saying, hey, this is my spot thing. And eventually went around to the right side to check out the window from the other side of it. And at some point, she starts sniffing inside, realizing my toys are in there, but this thing does not smell anything like me, and that's concerning. But eventually, I caught her standing on top of it, looking out the window, so that was progress. She was actually on the thing now, not just sniffing it. Finally, I caught her actually in the middle layer, circling up to take a nap. And eventually, by the next day, she was just kind of hanging out all the time. This is her on the second layer. She seems comfortable there, and on the first layer, I have caught her, as shown in this picture, on the top layer, but the middle layer seems to be her favorite spot. In terms of quality, I really like this, and the aesthetics are great, looks great in the house, and it is a cat tree fit for a cat queen.